Hey guys, I wanted to hurry up real quick, get this on video because I've been having maggots in my um, trash can again. You guys know I made a video of how to get rid of them with bleach, which is really cool. But the thing about it is our trash people don't come out for a couple days. So I tried the bleach. It killed them that day, but they came back. So now I'm about to use boiling hot water. So guys, another way that you can be able to kill them with boiling hot water as well as insect repellent. So like if you have something for mosquitoes, try that and see if that works. But I'm finna show you guys how I'm about to get rid of them. Okay, so what I did was I took my tea kettle and some hot water. Be careful, guys, and not hurt yourself. First, get the ones that's outside. Try to use as least water as possible because my little container ain't that big. And what you want to do if you have any animals or whatever, do not let them come over here by the trash can, especially with this being larva and stuff. So I'm just pouring it. Make sure you're able to see it. I'm just pouring it inside of the trash can. So guys, again, this is another way, and you don't want to pour it directly on the trash because you don't want, I don't know if it'll melt or not, but I just put some hot water on the trash so it did melt. So that's the question of the day for me was my trash water, and I'll be right back. But you get to so just again, just put boiling hot water on it and it'll get rid of your maggots. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. Bye guys. And make sure you're wearing gloves, and I always like to wear my boots. I don't know if y'all seen my Croc boots. I love them. Or some garden boots. Okay? Bye, guys.